Elevate your interior walls with our contemporary pre-finished solid oak slats. Ready to get started? Here's the tools you'll need. Using a tape measure, measure the height and width of your wall in inches. The wall must be clean, dry, flat, and structurally sound. Remove outlet covers and any nails that may be in the wall. Be sure to paint the wall with a color that coordinates with your decor, as it will be visible between the slats. Today's install is a vertical design with half-inch spacing between each slat. However, there are many options, so be creative. It may help if you create a reference line using painter's tape. Measure 36 inches from the top of the wall and tape along that line. Now let's add the slats to the wall. Apply adhesive to each slat. Make sure every board is level. Now place and nail into the wall. After double checking that it's still level, continue with the next board. A nail should be placed at the bottom, middle, and top of each slat. Use the provided spacer to ensure the slats remain consistent. Repeat this process until the wall is complete. Cover the nail holes with a wax fill stick. Enjoy the architecture of your brand new slat wall.